Hey, it's Tim. Time for a good action. Today is January 2nd, 2020 already. Amazed that 2020 is here, but I think with the new year it's time to do some more good actions. With me, I just got back from a week of visiting Anne and her family over in England. You probably know already they are vegan. They stick very closely to a vegan diet for reasons of nutrition as well as ethics, and I'm very proud that they do that. I, being American, have had trouble doing that. I like to eat vegan when I'm over visiting them because, frankly, it gives me ideas and inspiration for trying to do this on my own as well. So, for today's good action, and hopefully this one will stretch. I'm not looking to do little individual things. I'm looking to do changes that I can sustain over time. So for this one, given that I'm going back to work tomorrow and that I've been brown bagging my lunch for quite some time, why not take a vegan lunch for brown bagging? Why not give up any sort of animal product over the lunch hour, and let's see how this goes, shall we? So I went to Whole Foods today, and the thing about visiting Anne in England is that they have a lot better stuff over there that is vegan and available than we have here. But after going to Whole Foods, I did find some things here. This is what I got today. Sorry about the hand. I've bought some vegan cheese slices, some vegan turkey substitute, some seitan, and some corn meatless pieces that I can use to create all kinds of lunches, including my old standby, which is the turkey and avocado salsa and cheese sandwich substitute. So with these, I'm looking forward to having this and this in my lunches. I'm looking forward to seeing what I can do with the seitan, which looks really good. It's kind of a chipotle flavor. And I'm figuring the corn meatless pieces I can put into bean and rice bowls that will really substitute for me on the burrito bowls that I've been having for quite some time. So I'm excited about this. I'm going to go back to work tomorrow and be brown bagging a nice vegan lunch starting tomorrow. It's a change. It's something that I can do and sustain. Wish me luck. We'll see how it goes. That is today's good action from this end. I hope you're having a wonderful new year and go out and do some good. Talk to you later.